Hi, I'm Reginato and I'm a nutrition-based chef, and today I'm showing you how to make my black rice sushi rolls. So one of my favorite places in the world is Maui, and there's a little beachside farmers market, and every single day they make these tropical sushi rolls. So when I leave Maui, I'm just constantly thinking about them, and I miss them so much. So when I come home, I go out, I buy the ingredients, and I make it. So this is my recreation of those rolls. It's like a little bit of Hawaii in your own home. So when you're traditionally making sushi rolls, you're gonna wanna use a bamboo mat because it's just really easy to get it like this beautiful cylinder, so it's perfect looking. But honestly, you don't even need the mat. You can just use your hand and roll it up nice and tight, and that works just as well. And we're using toasted nori because it's firmer in texture and crisper. So there's a non-toasted as well, but that would make it really soggy, and toasted nori really holds up well. Also, we're using black rice, and if you have white rice, you can use that too, but I love the texture and flavor of black rice. It's a little bit chewier, a little bit nuttier in flavor, and it's just a really fun alternative. So sushi is a really beautiful vehicle for adding in any flavors, any textures, and really make it your own. So as you're rolling up the sushi, this can totally be messy. It doesn't need to be perfect, and it's a great activity to do with kids because it is gonna be imperfect, and you can still have fun with it, and it's gonna taste delicious. So this isn't a traditional sushi, and I absolutely love that because you can add in whatever you want to it and really make it your own. I love this dipping sauce. It's a beautiful combination of white miso paste, a little bit of sesame seeds, maple, lemon juice, and if you like a little heat, you can also add in fresh ginger. Look how beautiful these are. It looks like a rainbow of tropical colors. We have our avocado, cabbage. Oh my God, okay, we have to try it. Let's dip it into our beautiful sauce too. Oh. Mm-hmm. That's so good.